Before first-time use, charge the camera 612 hours with our USB-C cable. The adapter is not provided. Insert the provided for generation SIM card and your own TF card. Make sure the shiny metal side is facing up. You can scan the QR code in the manual or search in Seekum in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 4. Register an account. Power on the camera, wait until it finishes rotating, and you'll hear it say,
"System starting up. Network service connected successfully."
Open the app and tap the plus and choose Add Security Camera, then select the 4 generation camera. Click Next, then scan the QR code on camera body. Click Binding Device. Click the 4Gen knee ration icon to bind your SIM card. You can scan the QR code on the SIM card, label for faster binding or just enter ICCID. We offer 100 megabytes free trial data. You can top up data plans within the app for later monitoring. First, mount brackets for the solar panel and camera with included screws. Next, align the camera with the slot and push it to clip securely. Fit the solar panel to the bracket and tilt it for better sunlight. Finally, connect the built-in cable of the solar panel to your camera for solar-powered operation.